Hey guys, today we're going to talk about the Holy Grail Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. This is the #1 selling foundation worldwide, I believe, at least in 26 different countries around the globe. Now, the amount of questions that I get about Double Wear is I can't even describe it. I was a professional makeup artist and a retail sales manager for Estee Lauder in the past, so just giving you that disclosure. I do know a lot about Double Wear and I have applied it on hundreds, if not thousands and thousands of people. Now we're going to talk about the different Estee Lauder foundations and what makes them different from Double Wear. Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation is, like I said, the #1 selling foundation in at least 26 countries, if not more. It is a medium to full buildable coverage, so that way you can really customize it. I think it's the most customizable foundation that I've probably ever worn. It also comes in 60 all-inclusive shades. I think there's more online. I think there's even more than 60 shades online, but 60 are sold in store. It's going to be waterproof, sweat-proof, humidity-proof, and transfer-resistant. It does not come with a pump. A pump is sold separately, so you do have this old school kind of just open lid when you take off the lid, and a lot of people like that. A lot of people don't. That's why they came out with the pump. And the best way to apply it, in my opinion, to be with a sponge or a brush. Some people do apply with their fingertips. It's up to you. Now, this foundation is completely customizable, like I said before. If you don't want the matte finish that it initially comes in, you can mix with any water-based serum or moisturizer to get a tinted moisturizer or a tinted serum type of foundation look, which is incredible for dry skin people who still want the long wearing and the color inclusivity. Staying in the Double Wear family, this is Double Wear Maximum Coverage. When I talk about maximum coverage camouflage foundation, this is the type of stuff that like dreams are made of, okay? This really is made for areas that you cannot cover. So maybe a birthmark, a scar, a tattoo, something along those lines. You can even use it on your legs. We call them liquid stockings because it literally will cover varicose veins or spider veins, any type of colored veins. It does have an oil base to it, so even if you have dry skin, it's still really nice on your dry skin, but it is going to be something that is going to give you a full opaque coverage. You will see 0% of your skin through this. 0. If you want something that's full coverage, this is the one. I highly recommend trying it before you buy it because it can be quite overpowering. Mixing it with something doesn't even dilute the coverage, it's just full. But like I said, it is really made for those things that you cannot cover. Maximum coverage is definitely super long wearing, but I do find that when I put it on, you can see my fine lines a little bit more. That's really because it is so dense. It is so full coverage. So like it says, apply sparingly and see if you need any more. I like to apply like a few dots and then go from there. Keep that one in mind when you're trying the maximum coverage. Now, also, I just want to note that I do not own Double Wear Sheer. That is their newest addition to their Double Wear family. Double Wear Sheer is just going to be a very lightweight water-based foundation. It's really beautiful. You can kind of put it on with your fingertips. It's more like a serum tinted moisturizer type of makeup. Very, very lightweight. And last but not least is probably my favorite Estee Lauder foundation. I cannot say enough great things about this foundation. When I first got it, I never thought that I would wear it because I was a Double Wear person for life. Now with this foundation, I love to apply it with my fingertips. I think it looks beautiful, just blended right into the skin. With the features Hydra Rescue, I find it to be quite long wearing, even though it doesn't ever say that it's long wearing. It does say it's a moisturizing makeup, but my oily skin loves this foundation. It makes you look like your skin is just perfected. I really like it because the fact that it blends so well into the skin and it just looks and feels like skin. I find that I never have to touch it up. I never look like I'm wearing makeup. It's just a natural finish. If you can't seem to make Double Wear work for you, please try the Hydra Rescue. It is gorgeous. Okay guys, well that's it for Double Wear for me. And just a disclosure, I no longer work for Estee Lauder, so this is just my personal opinion on these foundations and I love them all in different ways. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it answered some of your questions. If you have any other questions, just let me know in the comments.